How to wire transfer money on Citibank. So access your Citibank account using username and password. Go to the section where you can perform transactions or transfers. This is often labeled as wire transfer or transfer money. Enter the details of the recipient, including their name, account number, and the receiving bank's information. Indicate the amount you want to transfer and the currency in which you want to transfer. Citibank may offer different types of wire transfers such as domestic or international. Select the appropriate option based on your needs. Review all the details of the wire transfer before confirming. Just confirm this. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.